How to fix can't turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now if you're unable to turn off your stolen device protection on iPhone, there can be few reasons for it. So first, open up your settings and you'll need to ensure that you're on a familiar location. Make sure you're on the location you're normally on and wait for the 1 hour security delay. You can try to restart your device as well. So to restart, you can simply press on the volume up button and quickly release it, press on the volume down button and quickly release it, then long press on the side button. After the Apple logo appears, it will restart. Also, you can check for any iOS updates. Go to General for that on your settings. Go to Software Update and check for any updates available. After that, you might want to disable any VPNs if you're connected to it. So inside General only, you'll find VPN and Device Management. So disconnect from any VPNs. Now what we'll do is we'll just head over to our stolen device protection. So simply scroll down. There you should see privacy and security. Tap on that. You can scroll down again. And inside this, you'll need to make sure that your location access is turned on. Location services is turned on. Now head back and let's head over to our stolen device protection. To do that, you will simply need to head over to your screen time. Scroll down. There you will see an option that says content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that. Let's turn this on. And just make sure that this is turned on as well. And the location services is turned on. Now we'll just go back here, go to our Face ID and passcode, type in our passcode, and inside here there you should find stolen device protection. Head over there and there you'll see require security delays, and if it's on always, select away from familiar location. Go through with the verification. You can start the security delay, and after the delay is done, if you're not away from a familiar location, you will be able to turn this off. And yeah, all you have to do is make sure that you're on a familiar location and you have selected and waited for the security delay to end. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.